Hello everyone, my name is Gurnoor Singh and this is my video submission for HD Task 8.2H, building your own ping application. And within this video demonstration, we will go through what we did in this application and how it works. So yeah, let's dive into it. First of all, you guys can see that I've imported all the required libraries that are essential for this application to function. Time, struct, socket, RE, and much more. And afterwards, we have the constants that are required for ICMP messages. Since what we're going to use is ICMP protocol within this application that refers to Internet Control Message Protocol. It's important that we basically put in the constants that are required in advance. As you guys can see that I have mentioned all the constants, that is request, reply, and code. Afterwards, we move into a checksum function. What it basically does is calculates the internet checksum for ICMP packets and makes sure that we are having the correct packets. And so yeah, overall it maintains the integrity of the program. Afterwards, we move into the building network function here. So what this function does is basically builds packets that are then used to create ICMP echo request, and afterwards that request is sent to the destination IP. Afterwards, we have the function to extract source IP from IPv4 packet, and it gets the details from the packet and uses it further into the program. Afterwards, we have the function for receiving single ICMP echo reply, and that function is called receive one here, and it's one of the important ones because not only it receives the reply, but it also extracts the data from that reply, such as the time of the message or the time taken to reply back. So it executes a important part of a program. And afterwards, we move into do one ping function here. And what it basically does is basically sends one ICMP request and then wait for reply. And yeah, that's it. And then we dive into a main loop that executes repeatedly. And with this loop is basically just named ping here. And within this loop, you guys can see that I've considered transmitted, received, and one more variable here, that is destination IP. And we're gonna make changes within these variables when this loop is gonna run and execute the whole program. So yeah, afterwards we move into the main program. And within this program, as you guys can see, I've mentioned welcome to Python ping application. And here a user host variable is being used to enter the domain name. So the domain name variable will be used in this the domain name will be used in this variable, and then it will be further transferred to the ping function that we have. And within this function, you guys can see that I have mentioned two more variables, parameters. First one is the count, that is up to 4 seconds, and the timeout, that is up to 2 seconds. And so count is basically used to take the count of how many packets were delivered, while timeout is basically uh, used to mention that how long it should wait for the reply from the destination IP. And afterwards, we have the user input validation as well, that checks in with the user if they want to continue with another domain or close the program. And yeah, that's it. Now what I will just do is run through this program. So let's say if we want to run this, just www.google.com. So you guys can see this is destination IP address in Python. And what it does is basically extracts the required files, and at the end we see that the 4 packets are transmitted and then received, and there's 0 packet loss. If I want to go with another one, I think I'll go with .deacon .hello .tu. So it's going for those packets, it's sending and then receiving, and it demonstrates the time, TTL, ICMP sequence, and yeah, 4 packets transmitted, 4 received, 0% packets lost. So yeah, overall, this is my submission of how this application works. Yeah, thank you.